All right, welcome to today's lesson. Welcome to today's lesson, and we are going to continue from where we left off. So I'm going to take you through a few similarities between Word and Excel. This is in terms of what you already saw in Word and what you can also relate to here. For example, the menus. Look at the menus. Within this menu bar, you can see File was there in Word. It is here. Home, Insert, Page Layout, Review, and View. All that we can able to relate to that. Under File tab, you saw what you did. You could save. You could open a new document. You could create a new document by clicking New, and then you could save. You could save as. You could print. You could share. All that was under Word. Then Home. Home, you can see we have clipboard, we have font, we have alignment, we have number, styles, editing. So a few of these were there. For example, clipboard, font, alignment under Word was called paragraph, but you can still relate to what you can see here. We have editing, which was there, it is here. We have styles, it was there, it is here. Now, the only differences you can notice is as a result of the nature of data that we are going to deal with under Excel. We are going to see all that. We are going to therefore get down to business and really look at what makes this different under styles, for example. What makes this different from Word? We are going to see all that. Insert, again, we have a few things like tables. Similarly, was there in Word, it is here. Page layout, we were able to set the page orientation, the size, A4, and all that. Margins, we were able to specify the margins of our table. So we have other things which are new. That is okay. We are going to look at that. Review, we were able to spell check our document in Word, remember, when we looked at the grammatical errors and all that. So we're also able to do that in Excel, where we have spelling checker, we have the thesaurus, we have all that. We are going to use that. Then we have help. Remember guys, I said help was somewhere here in Word, but in our case, because of the version, this is Office 2021, we can find our help as part of the menus there. All right, so let us begin, and I want us to add some data. I want us to add some data so that we can start off. Like I've said, Excel is used for analysis. So I want us to add data so that therefore we can start learning how to analyze data. And because I've already told you that we're going to work with sheets, we're going to look at student scores. Let us consider a class which has done their end term Form 1, and we need to add the scores. So what are we going to capture, guys? We are going to capture the student's name. We're going to capture the student name. Click next to go to the next tab, and you don't click next really, but you click tab, the tab key on the keyboard, and it will take you to next, where we're going to capture the admission number. And then we are going to capture the KCPE score because it is important. We need to know how the current performance relates to KCPE. We're going to capture English, Swahili. So guys, just press the keyboard key tab called tab, labeled by those two arrows pointing in opposite directions, and it will take you to the next cell. Then biology, and then we have chemistry, then we have physics, then we have geography, then we have history, then we have CRE, then we have agriculture, then we have business studies. So guys, like I've said, you simply press the tab key. If you don't want to press the tab key, then you can press the right arrow key. The right arrow key will also take you to the next cell. If you want to go down, you simply press the left arrow key on the keyboard, left arrow key. So we've captured the header. This is called the column header. Why? Because it is going to appear at the top of our table. We are going to put our data here, but that data, what identifies each column is the column header, where whatever we have already captured is what is going to capture that. So this is what we are going to see. But as you can see, chemistry is not visible, geography is not completely visible, agriculture the same, and student name. We are going to see about that. But now I think